It has been 3 weeks since I started my new job. It has been 3 weeks since I've been out in the Jeep. I am ready to hit some trails. So I'm in the northwest section of Richloam right now, where we're gonna see what the state of the trails are. As I pulled up to get gas up there was a guy in a TJ who broke his front axle right across the street. Then a guy comes around in a 94 YJ that has almost 500,000 miles on it, original owner. The Jeeps are out today, and we're gonna go down this trail. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
And with us today traveling is, of course, the road dog. And driving the road dog is...
I'm Ann. I'm Patricia.
And somewhere back there...
It's me.
Yeah, he's in the mother-in-law seat. Let's go have some fun. Richloam is part of the Withlacoochee State Forest. There is a river that runs through it. Some of it's called the Little Withlacoochee, and there's also the Withlacoochee. This is home to a very diverse environment. It also has a lot of deer, snakes. There's probably plenty of gators. Just wildlife in general. It's also open to hunting, so use a lot of caution during hunting season if you're coming out this way. There are several small roads, and just like any of the wildlife management areas in the area, you want to make sure that you are not driving down a road that says closed to vehicles. This road that we're on is pretty well maintained. We passed a truck with a horse trailer as we came in. It does progressively get less and less maintained, and there's some points in it that are downright sketchy on this loop. There is a link below to Gaia GPS to show you the loop that we've run today. There's multiple places where there's water holes along the side. There's some pretty flowers here and there. People ride horses out here, so go careful and go slow and enjoy natural Florida. How's it looking back there?
Hi.
Is
You
it
okay?
Is it dry?
Okay.
Yep.
It goes down to like a hunt camp and stops.
Okay. Oh, you know what? I should have turned right back there.
On Boggy Creek? Boggy Road?
Yeah, I guess that's
Boggy Road.
yeah, that's the one that loops up like a big upside down horseshoe.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
It's wet.
Okay. There was
Well-
2 small deer back there, so I don't know at what point they
Yeah,
may
they
jump.
went opposite, so I'm sure they might try to get back together some.
Have fun.
Thank you. Bye.
As you can see, the roads are pretty dry. There's ponds and there's water in the ponds, but overall thus far we've had a few puddles here and there. But I could pick this sand up and blow it out of my hand. That's how dry it is. That's a good thing if you're interested in trail riding and seeing stuff. But I know the backside of this loop is not going to be dry. So let's keep on riding.
What do you say?
Deer. Yeah, I missed it. This road's a little less maintained. at our first bog hole. And that first bog hole looks like somebody has kind of been through here. I just don't know how deep it is. My plan is to try to come up through here and then get around on this side. I can see tracks where somebody's been out here running through this. Now this by far is not the smallest bog hole, but it's a nice start. This is typical of this area. I'm gonna send Randy ahead with the camera and she's gonna record us going through. Sometimes a rock is a rock, and sometimes it's a photo op. Oh, I think you could fit a business card in there.
I'm living as the 6. Hey, hello.
If you're going out in the woods in Florida, you better have some of this. Let me tell you why. We have ticks and mosquitoes. If ticks get on you, they carry disease. We have Lone Star ticks up in the northeast section of Central Florida. And we have deer ticks through most of Central Florida, which can carry Lyme disease. So an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. I always carry bug spray inside the Jeeps. And the mosquitoes are starting to come out. Right now, we're at 4:49. So our goal is to get out of here before it gets dark. Otherwise, this is going to turn into a night ride.
Oh, it's no.
A spider web. I thought that was a bear on our right. That's where hogs were tearing everything up. They completely root out the area. Hogs are invasive species. Not supposed to be here. One of the things here in Florida that you want to do is, if you come to a place that looks sketchy, you kind of want to walk through it, because I don't know how deep these holes are. Last time when I was out here, I ran on that edge right there and stuck it close to the trees and went along that side. Now it's so sketchy down in there, I'm not sure whether we're going to make it. If I go this way, this hole looks undisturbed, like people aren't going through it. On this side, that bog hole looks like it's going to get you stuck on your differential. So there's a lot of options here to go, and I got to decide which way to try to go to get through here. I think almost that this might be the best option, but there's a big stump here and some roots over there and deep mud here. So I don't know. Whichever way I go, I'm only running 31s right now. So it's going to be sticky either way. But let's see if we can figure out what to do.
Ready?
ahead.
What?
I'm sitting in the mother-in-law seat. That's my woman.
Here, let me show you alternative routes. Hold on. Now that's a hole. That's a water crossing. And there is a bypass. As you can see, somebody's recently been through this bypass. We're not going this way. We're going the other way. But these water holes, that one's got a lot of duckweed in it. A lot of duckweed means that the local people are not disturbing the hole. The tracks that I can see, somebody's been back here, and these tracks, they're coming from that way. Nobody's tracks are coming out the other way. If you're by yourself and you got a winch and you're looking for adventure and recovery, there is a page that you can go to called Stuck in Florida, SOS Stuck in Florida. It's a Facebook page where you can drop a pin and say, hey, I'm stuck out at Richloam. I need some help. But I would recommend coming out here with a buddy. It's a cool trail, and it provides some great opportunities. That creek crossing, one of them. There's several bog crossings in through here. All the bypasses are even getting muddy. But hey, this is what we Jeep for. This is what you Jeep for. I don't know which way to go, but we might have to turn around, and I don't want to have to go through that stuff a second time. So I looked out my window and look what I saw down there. Well, let's just say we found some really nasty holes, so we are turning around to take the bypasses because I don't want to get stuck at 5:20 in the afternoon. So there's that big hole with all the duckweed in it that I said don't go through. That was where we decided we were going to turn around. It did make us have to go back out through that fun little part though. And now we're heading back out the way we came. Still a great trail ride. The backside is absolutely not dry, as you can tell. The front end is very, very dry. So if you're coming out here, bring a friend. 33s are fine. 35s are better. A little bit of clearance. Some of the holes you just get hung up on your differential. the state of the trails are. The mosquitoes are out. The hunters, I haven't seen a single one. If it doesn't rain anytime soon, you should be fine. Those holes generally get a little more dried up. In the meantime, come on out here, have some fun, and enjoy Northwest Richloam. I think we went right through the middle.
Did we go right through the middle here?
Yeah, we did. We went through the middle and made a right through these trees.
Yeah, I do remember the trees.
Watch your back fender on that big tree. What is this?
This is night service, Sunday night service.
This is Sunday night service out in the woods. Just to let you know, we both had services this morning. After I finished our service down in Intercession City, we drove all the way up here to the bridge at Linden to catch some food. We didn't catch the service, but we did get the fried chicken. And then we dressed down and headed out to Richloam. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
And I'm Ann.
I'm Patricia.
I'm Tim.
And you've just been on a Florida Jeep ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll see you on the next ride. Hey, it's looking sketchy back there, but y'all have some fun. Hey, we're to Highway 50, heading home.
But it was more dignified the first time.
Did you see that one of mine, that bug? The bug in my grill? All right.